In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your external hard drive into DaVinci Resolve 16. Videos can take a lot of space on your computer, and it is really useful to save them in case something goes wrong with YouTube or if you lose your videos online, then you still have a copy of them. First of all, you have to download DaVinci Resolve 16. If you have a Mac, you go to the App Store and you can download it directly. If you have a Windows computer, all you have to do is go online and download the software directly from their online page. What you need to do first is to connect your external hard drive into your computer. In order to connect your external hard drive with DaVinci Resolve 16, you have to click on New Database, Create, you go to Disk, then you name it, I don't know, I'm going to name it Galaxy. We're going to select a directory. So I'm going to go to my external hard drive. Then I created a folder called DaVinci Resolve because then I know that everything that's saved there is from the software. Then you click on Open and Create, and that's it. Now you have your external hard drive connected to DaVinci Resolve, and now you can create new projects, new folders, or you can open a project that you were working on before. And that's it. If you found this video useful, give this video a thumbs up. Tell me in the comment section which video do you want to see next on this YouTube channel. If you want me to make another video about DaVinci Resolve, like for example how to edit on DaVinci Resolve, tell me in the comment section and I'll definitely do it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and if you're interested in travel and lifestyle abroad content, follow my first channel called That's Money. I'll leave you the link in the description box, and if you want to follow me on my social media, I'll leave you also all of the links down below.